Hey guys, I am a favorite picture how creative clones and effect in Photoshop. Let's get started now. First for Control J, create a new layer, copy and go to Window, Clone, Search, select to Clone, select to Clone Sample tool and select to paint. Once again and select to window, go to paint. Once again select your window and paint the window. Once again select your window and paint. After before the shift control E and merge the layer. Please guys like and subscribe your favorite pixel and thanks for watching me. So, good night and